Hello, let's see how to remove the background from a video without green screen. Let's go to our Canva and upload the video. We can go to the left side menu, click three dots, videos, and we can choose any video. Then we can go to the top menu and click edit video. And here we will find background remover. If you don't see this option, then you need to wait. Canva updates come at different times for everyone. And here you go. Now we can change our background. We can go to the left side menu, click three dots, more, and choose photos. We can take our photo and drag it to left corner of the design. And here you go. Now we can click play button. Next, we can upload video as a background. We can go to the left side menu, videos, and choose any video for a background. Now I am duplicate this our video, and here I paste it. And here you go. This new Canva Pro feature is available only for Pro account. If you don't have Canva Pro, click on my affiliate link in the description and try Canva Pro for free for 30 days. Exactly, we can add background as a background. Go to the left side menu, click three dots, backgrounds, and here we can click on any background. And here you go. If you want to write text, go to the left side menu, click on text and enter any your text. Then click on the video, click right button and bring to front. And here you go. Now you can go to the top menu, click share button, click download, choose file type MP4 and select all pages. Click done and download. I hope you liked this new Canva feature. Click like, subscribe, and see you next time.